everybody! Today on Eva's World, we are playing with long lost friend, Slime. Slime! Oh yeah, baby honey sugar. She's playing with her ultimate green slime, but on camera it looks yellow. And I'm playing with my ultimate purple slime, lavender, except it looks gray on camera. But it's not, I promise. Anyways, we are just going to be playing with it and mixing stuff together to make it even fluffier and even jigglier and even. And if you hear a lot of yelling in the background, just don't mind that.
And maybe
Anyways,
we might make some.
Yeah, we're probably gonna make some as well, but we're probably gonna make some on her channel because I only have a few videos and I don't want to do too many slime videos. But Mia, you don't have any slime videos on your channel, do you?
Nope.
Her channel is the Williams Family Vlogs, so go follow her and like all of her videos and subscribe to her channel, as you should be doing to my channel. Anyways, I'm going to be playing with my slime for a few seconds, and then I'm going to be playing with Mia's slime so that people can experience her wonderful slime as well as me.
I do gaming on my.
Yeah, she does gaming on her channel.
Vlogs.
Five Nights at Freddy's. She does that. Now I'm going to be playing with the water slime. Now, if you've never, sorry about that, my pop socket fell. Now, if you've never heard of water slime, you're going to hear of it now. This is what it looks like. It's basically water slime, pretty self-explanatory.
Water, borax, and glue.
Yeah, water, borax, and glue. And we mixed it. It used to be like one green color and then like one other color, but then it just like turned into this, sadly. So that's what happened with that. And we just had two cans of the same one because it was so big. And I guess I'm just going to play with this again. And we're probably most likely going to be making slime after we eat breakfast. So be sure to tune into that. Mia's probably going to go live. I'm probably going to film on my phone, but what is the difference? I'm going to pause it and go get my charger. Sorry, everyone. I had to go get my phone charger. And I am dragging my phone along because that's what I need to film on, of course, but other than that, it needs to be charged as well. And Mia's not even in my video, and that's the whole point. So I'm going to move the camera over so that you can see both of our slimes and experience awesomeness. You can't even see my face because I'm so tall, so I'm gonna get on my knees. Please don't mind my hair. We just woke up about like 3 hours ago. We've been riding hoverboards and doing a lot. But listen to this fart. It farts. Breath, it farts.
I think it sticks to my hand.
Yeah, it sticks sometimes. So that's why. Oh, and if you were wondering, what we used to make this was, of course, glue, multi-purpose contact solution.
It was randomly growing up.
Barbasol original shaving cream. And that's basically it. Oh, and then maybe like a few food coloring or paint or something like that because, you know, gotta have the color.
You can have that.
Mix in. Okay, I'm going to mix this inside my slime.
Because I put so much shaving cream that it made my slime grow bigger and so it couldn't fit inside the container.
So I just mixed a part of Mia's slime in there. And what you do to make this is you just do water, borax, and glue, which is pretty easy.
It breaks apart easy, but it's like it feels really nice.
Yeah, and it's really watery, so listen to this. You hear that little pop? That's how you know it's made out of water. And
it has a lot of water in it.
Mia is still going live on her phone, but no one's joining and it's so annoying. So we keep on trying to do it, but it's not even focusing. And if you see me looking up a lot, it's because there's a mirror right in front of us. Myself, and there's little specks at Mia. Look, there's little specks of yellow inside my thing because there is. I just mixed the yellow. Oh, also, I want to shout out to Marina Life. Go follow her, and also follow Dallas Harris. Those are my two sisters, and their YouTube channels are really funny. They do a lot of pranks. They did a throw up prank, and it was very funny. I did a throw up prank on my channel, and if you didn't watch it already, you should totally watch it. I did a throw up prank, and it was really, really funny. And right now I'm just playing with the watery slime, like the same one that Mia has. And it usually farts. But since there's not that much. That was the slime. That was the slime. And later we're probably going to do a how to ride a hoverboard tutorial.
Yep.
So I'm going to be videotaping Mia, and she's basically just going to be explaining to you how to ride a hoverboard. Like if you just got one and you don't know how to ride it, or if you want to get one and you don't know how to ride it. I don't know whose channel it's going to be on. Most likely it's probably going to be on I Know How to Ride a Hoverboard. Anyways, I'm probably going to be doing lots of hauls. Probably going to be doing a what's on my phone video, because one person commented, can you do a what's on your phone video, because they said I edit my Instagram videos really good. What I just do is I literally use the app to edit them, but I don't know why they just wanted me to do that. And this thing is so cool. Like this. It's like lava.
It's like melting candle wax.
And we're probably going to be vlogging today because we're going to Pop's house, and we're having an Easter Sunday dinner. By the way, happy
And we can
Easter.
play outside.
We're going to be playing outside, probably riding hoverboards and stuff like that, because
I want to bring my house
the whole family has like
I can bring my hoverboard to Pop's house.
like so many hoverboards, and we're probably going to be riding all of them. And I'm going to go get a piece of gum, so Mia,